Poets narrate the beauty of nature. Poets talk about the beauty of women. And Gala of London redefines beauty of nature in women. Gala of London is the place where nature meets its abode. Color, fragrance, texture, smoothness, softness, brightness and clarity is what Gala of London is all about.
Komal Manufacturing Chemists was formed in 1947. In 1968, Gala of London International took a stake in the company. Brands like Gala of London, Outdoor Girl and Miners was transferred to the company.
Gala of London helps you to enhance the richness which you are naturally born with. Very well supported by the colors of the rainbow for nails and the style of seasons for the eyes. Gala of London speaks only and only about beauty.
In Gala of London, we have two clear priorities. Number one is our employees. We want to be the best employer in the country over a period of 3 years. The number two priorities is our products and our consumers. We want to give them the best in the world.
Green fields and forests, brown hills and mountains, blue water and sky, white milk and snow. Gala of London picks these finest colors from nature to make you feel connected to what you see outside. Gala of London makes you imagine a butterfly sitting on your nails.
Keep talking about Rohit Sharma as much as we like, but let's just take a look at what he exactly did. 73 runs in 50 balls. Take a look.
Oh, bit of luck there, but that'll do. The inside edge going for a boundary. Oh, that's a very good shot. It's a six. Look at that. The ease with which Rohit Sharma has done that. It's 29 for 2. Shot. With and cut away for 4.
This was going to be a huge 6 balls without doubt, and there's the first of them, straight as a die for 6. Pulled away, that's 6 more with the breeze. Not out of the middle totally, but easily enough. Full toss, over backward point, all the way. It's gone for 6 over long on. Sharma's the hero, Mumbai Indians win.
Well, that's what we like to see, and that's why we called him Rampant Rohit. And raw energy there. I love that.
No, but have you thought about how many easy balls he actually got in the last over?
That's true.
I mean, just even when you get dollies and lollipops, even to put them out of the park, the pressure, the runs to get, the team is looking at you, the whole country is looking at you, unreal.
But of course, Mumbai Indians has been at the receiving end a couple of years ago.
That's right. They lost out in a super over, I think in season 1, if I'm not mistaken. So they know what it's like to be there, and this time they held enough to push through and be on the winning side.
And you know, like when the first match happened, everybody started talking about Levy, but I was really just waiting for Sharma to blast off.
Yeah, I know Sharma's your personal favorite. I personally love Richard Levy, but no, he again failed at the top of the order. But who cares? I mean, you got 20 overs, you go nuts in the 20 overs. If 1, 2, 3 don't perform, along comes 4 or 5, and they get the job done.
And क्या celebration थी अभी तक चल रही है in fact at the pitch studio. So let's just take a quick look at how the team celebrated, how the fans went berserk. Let's just take a look. It's the last 6 and the team comes running out now. And I love when women participate in the celebrations. I love that about the DLF IPL 2012.
हमने मेट्रो के जरिए दी है दिल्ली को दुनिया में एक अलग पहचान, साफ सुथरे चमकते दमकते स्टेशन। लेकिन मेट्रो आपकी है, इसलिए इसकी सफाई में आपको भी देना होगा योगदान। अगर आप कहीं कुछ ऐसा होते देखें तो इन लोगों को दिखाएं सही रास्ता। मेट्रो स्टेशन पर कूड़े कचरे के लिए कूड़ेदान रखे गए हैं और हां, मेट्रो में कुछ खाना पीना भी मना है। तो इन बातों का रखें ख्याल और मेट्रो का आनंद लें सालों साल। शुभ यात्रा। मेट्रो रेल दुनिया की सबसे सुरक्षित और समय से चलने वाली रेल प्रणाली। लेकिन शायद इन दोस्तों को यह बात पसंद नहीं। इन्होंने मेट्रो को अपनी मर्जी से रोकने की सोची। लेकिन इन्हें शायद ये नहीं पता कि मेट्रो सुरक्षा कर्मचारियों की खास नजर ऐसे ही लोगों पर रहती है। तो लीजिए, अपनी मंजिल पर पहुंचते ही पकड़ लिए गए। मेट्रो के दरवाजे तब तक बंद नहीं होते जब तक उनके बीच आप या कोई बाधा मौजूद रहती है। तो मेट्रो को समय से चलने दें, तभी आप भी समय से पहुंच पाएंगे। याद रखिए, इस तरह की हरकतें गैर कानूनी हैं। बहुत जल्दी में लगते हैं जनाब, वक्त ही नहीं है। इनका ख्याल है कि वक्त बचाने के लिए सब जायज है। इनके पास तो सुरक्षा जांच के लिए भी समय नहीं है और जल्दबाजी में ये भी भूल गए कि टोकन पकड़ा कैसे जाए। आज कुछ बदलाव है स्मार्ट कार्ड। आज इन्हें कोई जल्दी नहीं है। आज तो ये सुरक्षा जांच में भी सहयोग दे रहे हैं। आज तो इन्हें AFC गेट में से गुजरने में भी कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई। स्मार्ट कार्ड टोकन को हमेशा दाएं हाथ में पकड़ें। स्मार्ट कार्ड टोकन को सेंसर पर सही ढंग से लगाएं। निकलते समय टोकन को बिन में जरूर डाल दें। सारी मुश्किलों से बचने और समय और धन की बचत के लिए स्मार्ट कार्ड का उपयोग करें और किराए में 10% की छूट पाएं।
Come May every year, the Delhi University campus vibrates with activity. Thousands of fresh school pass-outs knock at the doors of its affiliated colleges to seek admission in various courses. Those who opt to study in distance mode apply to the university's School of Open Learning, which functions under its parent body, the Campus of Open Learning, located just a few kilometers from the DU campus.
School of Open Learning is now has been running for quite some time, and the idea was that there are so many young students who want to study and improve their knowledge and get some higher education degrees. So as School of Open Learning was basically started to look into that. I mean, this started even before IGNOU came into being.
Of about 300,000 students admitted to various academic programs of the university, nearly 200,000 access these programs through the distance and open learning mode. These are largely young people whose aspirations for higher education have not been met through the conventional structures of the university. Some of them choose to study part-time while exploring entry into the world of work. The COL campus is set in a peaceful and picturesque surrounding with lush green lawns and has a good infrastructure with all amenities. The courses have been designed with a focus on the market need. As a result, students of these add-on courses are gainfully employed in various industries or are self-employed.
About 650 students have passed since the time we started these courses, and they have been placed in multiple companies like Future Groups, Domino, Maruti, Hella, Bosch, Future Groups and ITC and many others.
There are some courses like improving their English language, communication skills, there is digital learning. Now these are courses which have relevance through and through. But there are other courses we will go by what the industry requires, what do they need, and the course structure can change, because remember these are 3 months to 6 month courses. So there is a high level of possibility of attrition and bringing in new courses.
Through this course I aim to get training on industry standard softwares such as Adobe Firefox, Adobe Dreamweaver and Adobe Flash, which are the current softwares used by the industry in modern website design.
This is a very special outfit for a special lady, that is a bride for marriage. It's again a very nice color which has maroon and a tint of gold with it.
नमस्कार, दावते खास में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त और होस्ट राकेश सेठी।
दावते खास की रसोई में आज पकेगा चुकंदर की कांधारी टिक्की, जाफरानी भरवा मुर्ग।
आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं कंधारी टिक्की। तो ये लीजिए, भरवा जाफरानी मुर्ग तैयार है। आप इस रेसिपी का रिकैप देखिए, तब तक मैं इसको चखता हूँ।
अच्छा कमाना शुरू कर दी, अब तू शादी कर ले।
आज बोलो शादी करो, कल पीछे पड़ जाओगे बच्चा पैदा करो। अब बात जब सारे बच्चे की है, वो तो मैं बिना शादी कर सकता हूँ।
I am Dr. Baldev Chadda, infertility specialist.
I need a good quality Indian sperm donor.
कोई क्रिकेटर वाला सैंपल दिखाओ ना, देश के लिए खेलेगा, नोट छापेगा अलग से।
नाम है विक्की अरोड़ा, फेसबुक पे स्टेटस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है और उसके ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर के 19 बच्चे थे।
किन्ने? शक्ल देखकर बंदे का स्पर्म पहचान जाता हूँ। ऐसे डीएनए आर्यन रेस के देखे गए हैं